How to fix a broken zipper. By Simplest. Stuck zipper. If the zipper is stuck, try using a graphite pencil or a bar of soap to lubricate the zipper teeth. Gently rub the lubricant along the teeth on both sides of the zipper and then try to move the zipper pull again. Misaligned zipper teeth. If the zipper teeth are misaligned, you can use needle nose pliers to gently realign them. Be careful not to force the teeth as this could damage them further. Broken zipper pull. If the zipper pull itself is broken, you can replace it with a keychain ring or paper clips. Yes, you can also buy universal pull in online stores. Missing zipper stop. If the zipper stop at the bottom of the zipper is missing, you can use a pair of pliers to crimp the zipper teeth at the bottom to create a new stop. Broken zipper tape. If the zipper tape itself is damaged and you really want to fix it, you may need to replace the entire zipper. This requires sewing skills and can be done by carefully removing the old zipper and sewing in a new one. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.